The Global Automotive HVAC Market, Analysis of Growth, Trends, and Forecast 2018 to 2023 report has been added to ResearchandMarkets.com's offering. The evolution of air conditioning systems in passenger cars has been one of the significant developments in the 20th century. It is estimated that more than 80% of the new passenger cars sold currently have an AC system, and the number is expected to increase by 2023. Increasing sale of vehicles and preference toward safety and luxury are the key factors that are driving the global automotive HVAC market. Integration of electronics into automobiles has played a crucial role in the improvement of safety and comfort in road transportation. Sensors in the HVAC systems measure parameters, such as gas or humidity concentration and pressure, and convert them into electronic signals. Sensata, a leading automotive sensors manufacturer, develops sensors for engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, air conditioners, and other systems. The future of HVAC is expected to witness significant developments that also include electronics and compressor designs. DuPont has also developed a new technology in HVAC that helps in eliminating the temperature-related issues in vehicles, due to lightweight engine cooling systems. The concern over refrigerant leakages into the atmosphere, which causes hazardous environmental effects, has prompted innovations for countering these leakages, which reduces the emissions. Passenger cars currently use the R134A refrigerant that has no chlorine in it. Companies mentioned Valeo Group, Denso Corporation, Maho Group, Calsonic, Kansai Corporation, Sanbin Thailand Co. Limited, K&N Corporation, Japan Climate Systems Corporation, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited, Hanan Systems Corporation, Omega Environmental Technologies, Transair Manufacturing, Johnson Electric Holdings Limited. Key topics covered. 1. Introduction 2. Executive Summary 3. Market Overview and Trends 4. Market Dynamics 5. Global Automotive HVAC Market, segmented by Type 6. Global Automotive HVAC Market, segmented by Vehicle Type 7. Global Automotive HVAC Market, segmented by Geography 8. Competitive Landscape 9. Key Vendor Analysis 10. Outlook of the Market 11. Disclaimer: for more information about this report, visit https://www.researchandmarkets.com/research/n72xx/global_automotive?w=4 View source version on businesswire.com. https://www.businesswire.com/news/home/20180523005604/n/source and Markets. ResearchandMarkets.com. Laura Wood, Senior Manager Press at ResearchandMarkets.com. For EST office hours, call 1-917-300-0470 for U.S. CAN toll-free, call 1-800-526-8630. For GMT office hours, call 353-1-416-890. Related topics: Automotive Climate Control Systems. Copyright Business Wire 2018.